Jatend Migao mar somo Migos Ogamba wacho ni lipode makuma piny maduong' mar KCSE odok chien nyaka 418 kipimo gi 614 e higa mokalo. Koloso e kinde limbe mare skund sekondari mar Ekerenyo e sub-kaunti ma Nyamira e kaunti ma Nyamira, Ogamba nomedo ni gitimo nonro margi mar yango adieri ewi lipodego kendo jogo moyud gi ketho ibiro kawnegi ondamo mager mar chik. Omedo bende ni piny owacho kaachiel kod tend migao mar somo oketo okenge makare mar neno ni chenro mar jopuonjre riwore kod grade mar 10 otimore maonge ng'ikruok moro amora.
While most stakeholders demonstrated commendable integrity, isolated cases of malpractice were reported. During the administration of the 2025 KCSE examination, 418 candidates were reported to have engaged in examination malpractices compared to 614 candidates in 2024. This despite the fact that this year we had the largest number of candidates at 3.4 million. Investigations are ongoing, and any individual or institution found culpable will face the full force of the law under the NEC Act 2012. Measures include the registration of examination centers, nullification of results, disqualification of candidates, and criminal prosecution where necessary. Impersonation cases will attract severe sanctions, including barring candidates from sitting KCSE until 2027. The marking of the Kenya Junior Secondary Education Assessment is ongoing, and all efforts are being made to ensure results are released by the 11th of December 2025. This will enable the ministry to conduct placement of learners into senior school based on their strengths and interests in the 3 pathways, that is the arts and sports science, social sciences, and science, technology, engineering, and mathematics STEM. Early release will also allow parents to prepare adequately for admission before the festive season.